Today we're looking at this drum lifter designed for lifting drums on and off Euro pallets. The drum lifter has low-level legs, and these go beneath the open end of a Euro pallet. So for this model, it's important that you're only using Euro pallets and that you need to transfer from pallet to pallet. This model is not suitable for placing drums on the floor. It must transfer pallet to platform or pallet to pallet. We push the unit forward, we guide the legs beneath the pallet, and they go beneath the drum. We then lower our gripper down using this black handle until it engages with the top lip of the drum. I can see there it's fully engaged. I stand at the back, keeping a nice straight back, and pump the handle fully. Once lifted to height, pull the unit back using the same tiller. So the tiller's for pumping and for manoeuvring the unit. What's nice about this unit is very compact and very small. So if you've got a small work area, this could be ideal. Bring the drum back. Line the legs up the pallet and place it down. Once the weight's off the catch, we simply lift the top hook up and pull the unit back. We're now going to pick up this Mauser drum. So the blue Mauser drum has a different lip design or a different top edge. We have to adjust the catch to suit this type of drum. We'll show you a close-up of this, but what we're going to do is basically take our top hook, remove the pin, and the top hook comes away, and we're going to fit it in a position slightly further forward so it's got more reach to allow us to handle this lip. We're also going to fold up this kick plate. We always fold it up when we're handling plastic drums. We need our drum gripper to be above the drum, so we just pump the unit up to bring our gripper above the top lip of the drum. Guide the wheels beneath the pallet. Again, this has got an open base for the legs to go beneath, and lower our gripper down. Once engaged, we can pump the handle. Pull the unit back. You can see here the legs are beneath the drum, so we couldn't lower this onto the floor. We need to put it onto another platform. A lot of companies take drums off wooden pallets as they enter the factory and place them onto plastic pallets, and this is an ideal unit for doing that sort of operation. Lower down. Once the weight's off our top hook, lift it clear and pull the unit away. We're now looking at a close-up of the rack assembly, including the catch. The catch is adjustable in height to cater for shorter drums or taller drums. To adjust the catch height, we hold it with one hand and remove the locking pin like so. We then unhook the catch and slide it down our rack and hook it in. And you'll see these pins here. As we position it, we can hook these into all the different positions on the rack. So we've got lots of adjustability. For tall drums, like 200-litre drums, we actually want it in a high setting. So we keep it up high on the rack so we get maximum lift height. We then refit our securing pin, which locks the catch in place. For handling Mauser drums, like the blue one behind me, we need to bring this top hook forward to have more reach and to handle the awkward shape of the lip of the drum. To do this, we hold the top hook with one hand. We remove a second locking pin, which is just behind the top hook. And the top hook will come away with the pin. We have a series of holes, and we can put this top hook in a hole which is slightly further forward. I'll put it in there. That's the furthest forward hole. And you'll see that the distance from this top hook to the lip here, this top hook is further forward. In the instruction manual, there's more details on the different settings and how you should set this part. At the bottom here we have our kick plate. For handling steel straight-sided drums, we have this folded down to keep the drum nice and vertical. If we're handling any type of plastic drum, we advise folding this up out of the way.